Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check total number of applications installed on your iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this general, and then you have to tap on this about. And you can see guys, I have this about screen opened, and on this screen you have to go to this option applications, and in front of this you can check out total number of applications installed on your iPhone. So I have 13, you might have more or less, so it's now done. And also guys, this number doesn't include any of the default apps that were installed on your iPhone when you first got it. And also you can see guys, I have this software version, this iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone 10R. So that's it. After that you can go back and close the settings app if you want. So let me close that. So in this way you can easily check total number of applications installed on your iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.